Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the navigation button settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to change navigation button settings in your device Vivo Y22s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to change navigation buttons in your device.